Good morning. It's been a minute. I have been super busy. Took some time off in December, got back to work, hit the ground running, and have been running ever since. I tried to teach myself how to use a new video editing platform, and you know what? I really like the ones that I put together. I like the way they look, I like the aesthetic, so I'm going to stick with what I know. That being said, this video is going to be a recap of the end of last year and fast forward in this year. And we will circle back around towards the end and talk about scheduling and balancing your life with your work life. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great morning.
End of the year recap. So being off work for almost 3 weeks at the end of 2024 was so needed, and I wasn't really aware that I needed that good break. The environment of my job is super high energy and fast pace, which I thrive in. It also gave me the time to attend some holiday pop-ups, which if you don't know what a pop-up is, they're this holiday events happening at bars. They're tiny. They only go for the month of December. And normally the ones that we tried to go to were absolutely packed. Down below, there's a picture of me sitting in this sleigh. It's at the Lafayette in San Diego. Their decorations were insane and over the top. We also went to the top of the Hyatt and had mini cake bites and mocktails. They were amazing.
Well, here it is. The end of the season. We will take it down. Here's some of my favorite ornaments. And of course, Jack. And of course, my skull. And this one, which is one of my newest ones, it is a crow with a crown. And there is my spider web. And yeah, those are them. All right.
How to thrive in balance. This is the whole point of my page. If you think you can wing it when you're balancing your work life, is that something that you can do? It was something that I couldn't do, and I actually think it's a myth. The real secret is a great planner, and I happen to love this planner. It doesn't have a pre-printed start date. It allows me to smoothly transition from my old planner without wasting any pages. It's beautifully designed with faux leather hardcover, and it's a convenient size. It's about the size of a spiral notebook. Plus, the level of detail inside and all the pages are super easy to organize and effortless to fill out. It is Legend Planner is what it's called. I did get it on Amazon, and that was before I stopped shopping at Amazon. In January, I also went on a 3-day cruise from Long Beach to Catalina, and then we went down to Ensenada. The weather was impeccable the entire time. Um, Highly recommend. It was a great way to bring in the new year.
Hello. Currently, our cruise ship is docking in Catalina, and I will give you a view of the island. I'm whispering because I'm out on the balcony.
Sunday morning coffee, my outfit of the day. I was watching some videos of women in France, and I actually had pretty much the same outfit on. I had a black turtleneck, a puffer vest, scarf, wide-legged athletic type pants with a red racer stripe, and black Adidas sneakers.
Hi, everybody. We're doing a mid-afternoon check-in. Just got finished with my yoga practice, and I am loving it. If any of you have ever wanted to try yoga, I would highly recommend Yoga with Adrienne on YouTube. She is amazing. She has 11 years of videos. That's a lot. She's got a number of beginning videos, intermediate, and then advanced. And if you are looking to get started, I would start there. I had mentioned earlier that I had been doing yoga for a number of years, but I just kind of, just stopped doing it because life just gets in the way. And I wasn't making myself a priority. And that is what I'm doing now. I am making sure that I am a priority so I can there be a priority for my family and anyone else who might possibly need any piece of my energy. With all that said, yoga practice was great. I really enjoyed it. It was a 30-minute beginning stretch, and as someone who sits behind a computer all day long, my shoulders end up being next to my ears by the end of the day, and the top of my back is killing me. So highly recommend the stretch. And on the weekends, I do her meditations, and those are amazing. They are 10 to 15 minutes, and for me, that works perfectly into my lifestyle. So tonight, I am making Buddha bowls for dinner, and I will take you on that ride. Super healthy. We've been eating really, really healthy lately, and so I will take some images and a little bit of video of that and share that with you. And when I see you again, we'll close out our week. Until then.
So the easy Buddha bowls: pounded chicken thighs, a large purple onion, large potato, large sweet potato. Dice those into 1-inch cubes. You'll need 2 cups of spinach and sesame oil. Preheat your oven to 450. Dice up your veggies. Drizzle them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Bake them for 35 to 40 minutes or until the sweet potato is soft. In the meantime, fry your chicken in the sesame oil until it's done all the way through and crispy, and set that aside. Make your peanut sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, quarter cup of olive oil, and some red pepper flakes, salt and pepper. Blended. If you have like a Magic Chef type of blender, especially if you're using peanut butter that has nuts, actually nuts, it's not creamy, you'll need to do that. But if you're using creamy, you're good to go. All you have to do is put all the veggies and the chicken in the bottom of the bowl, put your spinach on top, drizzle it with the peanut sauce, and shake on some sesame seeds, and you're good to go.
Okay, I have finally been able to get the rest of my video recorded, and I am going to give you a little detail in some of the segments of it. But I just wanted to touch base, let you all know that I am using my Instagram and trying to make some daily posts while I take my breaks, because if I'm going to share how I balance my work and my life, I think that's a great way to do it. I try to take 3 breaks during my work day. Some days, I work somewhere to 10 to 12 hours a day. And so I do try to take my lunch, and which is about 30 minutes. And then I take 2 to 3 breaks a day, and I go on a walk. And so I've been asking some basic questions like, what it is that you do to balance your work life, and getting some really great responses. I've got some people who are doing some serious workouts, which is for their health, and some other people are reading during their breaks. So I really appreciate that feedback. I'll keep doing that. You can find us on Instagram. It is Thriving and Balanced, and just interact with the posts when you have an opportunity. I appreciate all your feedback, and until next week, I'll see you then.